There is a certain type of also activities that it can not only nullify the fasting, which is, we know that breaking the fast that in one day will do a substitute. But in these cases, they are require more than fasting one day, because there is an act of violence that related to it, like deliberately having a sexual relationship on the month of Ramadan. That's one form. And the second, the break the fast and eat and drink without any legitimate reason. In this case, the person have to do what it called to substitute for every single day, what it called a kafara. The kafara is the major substitute. Or in this case, either to free a slave, a believer slave, or to continuously fast 2 months, or to feed a 60 person. That can show you the magnitude of that type of act in the month of Ramadan. We need to concentrate on 2 issues. Number one, fasting the month of Ramadan is obligation on every adult, mature, healthy Muslim. The second, breaking the fasting of Ramadan without a reason, it can have major consequences. Having a sexual relationship during the day of Ramadan, during the time of fasting, or breaking the fast without excuse, require a kafara to make substitute for those acts, and seeking forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Jazakallah khairan for all the knowledge you bestowed upon us today. And inshallah, we hope you come in next time and tune in with us for the Good Companion, Islam 101, Shaykh Arafat. And we hope you have a blessed Ramadan, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
You love this one, right?